Don't just jot down vague ideas. Make your goals crystal clear with the SMART framework. It's your magic formula. Specific goals are key. Instead of get in shape, try run a 5K without stopping, or lose 10 pounds. Make your goals measurable. Track progress with numbers and deadlines. For example, read 1 book per month. Goals should be attainable. Aim high but realistic. Small steps lead to big wins. Your goals must be relevant. Ensure they align with your values and contribute to your happiness. Lastly, goals need to be time-bound. Set deadlines to create urgency, like complete the course by December 31st. Let's see some SMART goals in action. Increase website traffic by 15% in the next quarter. Finish my novel draft by June 30th, or learn 3 piano pieces by practicing 30 minutes, 4 days a week. These SMART goals create a clear roadmap. Grab your pen and start defining those goals today. For more tips, visit the Momentum AI website and download the free guide to achieve your dreams.